All right, so the Joe Merch blade sign. Again, it's going to be one of those where fabrication-wise it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy, but the assembly of this thing is going to be loads of fun. So you're going to need a lot of lead time to get this all assembled properly. So the way it's going to work is it's going to kind of look like this, where you're going to have a 1/4 inch plate and a long spar that's going to stick out. So you're just going to, line up the dog bones on that and burn that to that. So you're done there. That's it. You're going to have an acrylic cover. You're going to slide over. That will clear, all the holes. And then it's just going to be a bunch of stacked wood, just stacks on stacks on stacks. And then it's going to be some siliconed on letters and things like that. So again, so you got your 1/4 inch parts there. You got your clear acrylic cover. You got 2 of these discs that have the logo in it. And you'll have 2 of these discs here. We'll get the actual graphic, and they'll just get stuck inside here. It's got this wood plank stuff that it's specified for this. JR's already called it out. So this part here is just going to get stuck on top of this to give it some dimension. And you've got some laser cut letters. They're going to be lasered because of this texture. So look for that, but these are just going to get stuck directly to the wood with some silicone or double stick tape, whatever you guys think. Look for a template for drilling, and there's Gerber mask that will go on after everything's painted, and you'll use that to silicone on or whatever all the letters. So essentially you're going to take that 1/4 inch spar, weld it up, and then when it's time to assemble, you're going to assemble basically this piece of wood goes on to this piece of wood like that. So that way this will be 1 inch down and this will be 1 inch up. Then you're going to take this ring and stick it on there like that. And then that will have the graphic where the graphic goes. And it'll just sit inside there. So again, it's going to be a lot of like assembly, and you're going to have to let it cure. But I don't think you're going to be able to do this the night before. And this is going to be the plank. This is what JR called out. So look for get some of this stuff here, and this is what you're gonna route all this wood out of. And then once this is all done, you can put it together, and Install can just slide it over this spar. So the back side of these pieces of wood here will have a little island fill all cut out here, and then you can choose to put the 2 panels together, or maybe Install wants to assemble it right there on site. So either way, whether they want to just stick them together, then they can just slide this on in the field. We'll put some silicone on there and then slide it in. So, but choice is yours on that. So like I say, it's pretty straightforward as far as the building part of it, but when it comes to assemble, give yourself time. So, and that's it for this guy.